Hello Andy, now I'm going to show you how to use method 2 to make a bowl. Again we press Ctrl N to get a new design. This time we need our grid to be facing us for convenience. Oh, before I forget, to enable these tools here which I'm going to use, you need to be in a certain mode that version 5 of Design Spark Mechanical can be in. So we select the options and go to Advanced and make sure that this box is not enabled. Enable constraint based sketching. Now if you have that enabled, some of the tools I'm going to be using in this method are not available. So make sure you're not in constraint based sketching. So you need to disable that. Click OK and restart Design Spark to get that to work. So we're going to be using, you see, a radius tool here. Create a rounded corner. So let's get started. We're going to create a center line for our bowl. So I'm going to use, you could use an ordinary line, but I'm going to use the construction line, the dotted one there, and we'll make a line, a vertical line here. So we're now going to start drawing. So we draw a line out here which is going to be the radius of the bowl. Now it's half of the diameter, of course, which is 2.625. Now you may not know this, but instead of typing just a plain dimension in the blue box down there, you can type an expression. So you could type the radius 2.625 divided by 2. Return. And we want 0.75 high and then 0.313, or you could just type in 0.3125 if you wish. Down ½ inch for the depth. Click and complete it there. And you could double click to end the drawing or press escape. Now then, we want our radii on here, so this is why we're in this mode. So create a rounded corner, select that. We'll zoom in a bit. It's saying 0.63 at the 0.063, but we want 0.07. What did I do? 0.07 radius. Try that again. And again here. Now, because we've done it once, it remembers that. Just click and there we are. So that's our little drawing finished. And we type P for pull, which gets rid of the sketch plane, and we're in design mode. Now it doesn't seem to have completed the, it's not completed our shape here for some strange reason. So we'll go back to, so we need to make sure we've got that in. P for pull. Right, yes, there we are, it's all pale blue, which is exactly what we need. Now here's where the magic happens. We're in pull mode, we select the plane, and this tool here is revolve. So we'll select that. It says up here select an axis to rotate about. Now this is this axis we put in at the start. Select it, and this little diode looking object is called full pull, which says in there revolve 360 degrees or sweep to the end of the trajectory. So we'll just select that, and as if by magic we have our ball.